enjoying your birthday fireworks?
Yeah, thank you.
Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night, you guys. By the title of this vlog, you guys should already know what day it is. Yes, it is my baby's 30th birthday. It's babe's 30th birthday today, right this minute. The 12th of August is babe's 30th birthday, and it's not just babe 30th birthday today, but today is also the first time I've seen him in person. Today was the day he take that brave trip to Jamaica to see me for the first time. So it's also our 6-year anniversary of seeing each other for the first time. So yeah, today is very special. So babe, if you're watching, I just want to tell you happy birthday. Not many persons get to live to see 30th birthday, and it's huge when you turn 30, okay? So today is baby's birthday, and I just want to tell you happy birthday, and I love you so much. And you know your girl got you, and you're gonna enjoy your day. So yeah, I'm actually in the kitchen right now, getting on my way. I already went on the road early this morning, did some shopping and get back. It's Saturday, so you know it's supermarket day, so I went early because I know what my day is going to be like. And as you guys can hear, my voice is slowly coming back. It's almost there, but I decided that I'm going to make him his favorite chocolate cake, but I'm going to make it in the form of muffin. It's like a package already ready made, so I'm just going to throw them in the muffin tin and get it done and decorate them for him later. And he requested that he wants juicy chicken and mashed potato for dinner, because we decided that we're not going to go out today. We've been really busy, the family just left and all that, so we decided to stay home, and the championship is also going on, which we want to watch, so we decided to stay home. So we're not gonna go out, we're gonna stay home today. But you might never know, I might just stay in my mind and go. But I'm actually about to make his muffins right now, that way they can cool and all that. So yeah, I'm about to just get all this on my way and get out everything done, and so he can unwrap his gifts and all that. So yeah, let go. Say Papa, happy birthday. Birthday. Give Papa bisou. Papa bisou, blow Papa kisses. Mwah. Say I love you. Tell her leaving Papa birthday message. You guys know that I love to give babe huge surprises on special days, but because he's home today, I won't get to execute my surprise skills the way I would want to, so I have to just take whatever I get today. But anyway, I need to get my day going because I have a lot to do around here. Hopefully you enjoy your 30th birthday, babe, and I love you. Love you mucho. Mwah. I just have to surprise babe on his special days, and today will be no different. He's sleeping right now and I tell him not to come in the kitchen, so I'm just here cooking and getting his favorite cake ready, which I designed into muffin, and then do the design of the 30. So he is napping and he will have any idea and he will not get out until I am all done. So I think this 30 design that I'm doing is really cute, and there you guys have a good idea to surprise your husbands on their 30th birthday or whatever number their birthday will be. Just be creative. He's not the kind of guy who likes to go out and fussy and all of that. Baby want to go out, he's not having it. So wow, pretty. Where's Papa? Call Papa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. I can't sing. Tell us, sing with me. Happy birthday, dear Papa. Happy birthday to you. Joyeux anniversaire, Papa. Joyeux anniversaire, Papa. Joyeux anniversaire, Papa. Joyeux anniversaire.
You're right, 30 everywhere.
Happy birthday, my love. Make a wish. Blow out your candles. Oh my god, I cannot laugh. Alright. What do you want to do first? You want to pull your gifts? You want to eat first? You're hungry? Alright, eat first.
I eat with you.
How was your little surprise?
That was good.
Alright.
No, that was good. That was good. I really enjoyed, and I know you disappointed.
What is it about disappointed?
And I know you never disappoint.
Oh.
So no, that was good. That was good.
Alright. Time to begin?
Looks yummy.
Nah, you don't want to touch it.
It looks yummy. I'm gonna touch it, but it just looks yummy. It looks quite good.
So why you have to close your eyes when you're biting it?
So that's how you enjoy it.
Lord, you're something
Focus
else.
on the good.
Alright, I'm gonna let you focus on the good taste. Look at you. Ready? Let's play a game. You have to guess what is in your package. What is in your gift? Guess what is in. Guess first.
Well, I will have the way it looks. I will have to take clothes.
Is more than one thing in it, so guess.
Yeah, here's a little thing. That's a little box.
The box. Okay, Tyler. Wait. What else? You see a little box. What else? Open it, Tyler. Open it.
Shorts.
Shorts. Okay.
Because you always want a white top.
Okay, white top, shorts, and a little box. Alright, pull it. Let's see which of them you get right. Tyler, help Papa pull it. Pull it, Tyler, pull it. Yeah. Good job, Ty.
Okay.
Pull it, Ty, pull it.
Good.
Bravo. Bravo. Good job.
Oh. So you want me to stop taking yours?
Yes, stop taking mine. And I'm gonna throw away the ugly ones you have. Wow, that's a Papa. And Papa got a brand new hat too. Even look more sexy. He wants the hat.
Nice.
Yeah. You like that.
Top.
So you guessed top right. There's no box, so you're wrong.
That was the.
You guessed white shirt right. So
The other one looked like a shoes, a box. Maybe a shoes box.
a shoes box. And if it's a shoes, what color is the shoes?
Well, I wanted to buy me walk shoes, so maybe you need.
Okay.
Allez. Oh. Another walk shoes. Well, I don't know this brand for walk shoes. That's Jordan shoes. Jordan shoes. Tu veux savoir c'est quoi? Hein? C'est quoi? Wow. C'est wow. Wow. That's a cute one. That's a cute one. Hopefully the size is good. 43. 43. Perfect! Good job!
He wants to put on the other one.
Allez. Perfect! Good job! High five. You're jumping like this. You're a basketball player now.
Baby, he can't walk in it. Oh my God, what a disaster about to happen with
Bye-bye.
Moment of truth. Yes. Yes. Oh my God, honey. Tell me that your wife is boss in buying your shoes. Just say it.
If it's good.
Oh my God. Look at that. Look at that. Hey, 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 hey. All right, I see you. I see you. You like them.
I like it. You like it, Tommy?
Of course. The minute I saw it, I just know it would be perfect. I couldn't pass it up. You guys, my city fireworks never disappoints, and this one is actually closer this time, so it's really beautiful out, and it's a perfect way to end the night. your birthday fireworks?
Yeah, thank you. I know your father fireworks.
Yes, the city know what I want, so they give me what I asked for.
At the end, they're gonna say, no.
Birthday fireworks is lit, baby, just on time. Damn,
I need to feel good for my birthday. Come on.
But you don't feel good?
I'm alright, baby. I'm alright. Hi guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and oh no, only good night because it's the night. Yeah, I think it's the first time of the day I'm talking because today was my birthday, so I just sit
You
in
were
a
king
chair.
today.
I sit in a chair and I let you. Mwah. She been good today. She's always good, but she's been good today.
Extra good today?
Extra super good.
You like your little surprise?
Yeah, that was a good day. I always enjoy what you do. It doesn't matter what you do, it's just the intention that you put.
And he always let my
yeah,
little personal touches.
And I'm not somebody who fussy. I'm not somebody who for me my birthday is not that important. So I can do nothing, just staying at home and play video games and my birthday will be good. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I hope maybe for some person that give you some ideas if you want to surprise somebody you love. Yeah, that would be how can I say that?
Maybe useful.
Yeah, that would be useful, and that was something that we would be happy to be able to like to participate and to give you these little things. Yes, so that was a good day. That was a good day.
How do you feel being 30?
Well, for now I don't feel it.
30
I'm
never
still
looks so
no
good.
white, still zero white. A little thing to everybody who is just turned 30 and already have some white. Yeah, so if you like this video and
today's also our 6-year anniversary, my love.
Happy, not anniversary, I don't know how to say that. Anniversary?
Yeah.
Happy anniversary, not wedding anniversary, but meeting anniversary.
Yeah, we see each other for the first time face to face today on his
6 years
birthday.
today, and
damn, it feels like yesterday, don't it?
no regret.
Just feels like yesterday.
No regret.
Anyway, you guys, we're just going to. Tyler is long off to bed, long time ago, and Babe just said to me that his birthday is ending sad because Usain Bolt final race, which was just now, he had a injury and he didn't get to finish the race. But such is life. Life goes on, and I'm sure he'll be okay. That's just life of an athlete, and we still appreciate him for everything that he has done in the past and everything that he'll continue to do. Usain Bolt, we love you. Yeah, you guys, so we're just going to go ahead and tell you guys good night, and give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if it's your first time watching, and yes, my voice is getting better. My voice is getting better as the time goes by. So hopefully in tomorrow's vlog we'll be back to our traditional routine of ending the vlog with a Jamaican and French expression. But for now we are saying deuces.
Take care.
Happy birthday, my love.
Thank you. Happy birthday. Oh, happy anniversary.